All right, in this video, we are going to look at how we can calculate molarity, molality, and mass percent. All right, so let's take a look at this problem. So we have aqueous KNO3. Remember, whenever we see the word aqueous, that means water is our solvent. That means KNO3 is our solute. So we have 72.5 grams of solute and water, which is our solvent, so H2O. We have 2 liters of our solvent. All right, so first, molarity, big M. So let me hide that. Big M, remember, is moles solute divided by liters of solvent. So we already have the denominator, which is 2. Now we just have to get moles of solute. So we have a weight, so we convert to moles using the molecular weight. So there's 101.1 grams of KNO3 for every 1 mole of KNO3. So 72.5 divided by 101.1, plus out my calculator. That is a molar, that is a moles of solute rather, of 0.717. Then we have to divide that by 2 because that's our denominator. And so our concentration is 0.359 molar. So that's molarity. Molality, small m, is moles of solute divided by kilograms of solution. All right. So we already have the moles of solute. That was 0.717. Or sorry, I said kilograms of solution. Kilograms of solvent. Knew that was wrong, but I said it anyways. So 0.717 moles of solute, and that is divided by kilograms of solvent. So let's see if we can figure this out. So we have a volume, and we have the solvent weighs 1980. So here we're actually given the weight of the solvent. So we want to convert 1980 grams to kilograms. To do that, you just divide by 1,000 to get 1.980 kilograms. So that is 1.980 kilograms. And so our molality, 0.717 divided by 1.980. Our molality then, 0.632 molal. The last thing we want is mass percent of the solution. So this is going to be the mass percent of the solute in the solution. So it's mass percent. So it's the mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solute plus the mass of the solvent, which is where our 1980 is coming from. And then since this is mass percent, I want to multiply that by 100%. So let me just do this math really quick. So 20, so our denominator, so 72.5 divided by 2052.5. Then multiply that by 100. So our mass percent is 3.53%. And that's it. We could do parts per million, parts per billion, right? Instead of times 100, I would just times it by 1 million. That'll give me parts per million. Or parts per billion, I would times it by 1 billion instead of 100%. That'll give me ppb. But yeah, that's all there is to it. So make sure you do know how to do molarity, molality. Don't make the mistake I did when I said molality. It's kilograms of solvent. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.